There have been calls by stakeholders in the education sector to increase the capitation grant before charges levied on parents in institutions implementing universal education are scrapped. Government has released 23 billion to increase the capitation grant, which stood at 7,000 shillings 5 years ago. It was raised to 17,000 shillings in 2021 and has been increased to 20,000 shillings per primary school pupil. The grant for 70,712 learners with special needs in both primary and secondary schools has been increased by 194 million shillings. For learners in technical and health training institutions and community polytechnics, their capitation grant, which had staggered since 2011, has been increased by 6.8 billion shillings.
Capitation grant now sent to each beneficiary school is in addition to what government paying the wages for staff as well as meeting the cost of instructional materials and major capital development expenses.
Last month, Ministry of Health revealed that COVID-19 vaccination of learners in secondary schools will start on 9th when they return for second term. The Education Ministry says vaccination is not compulsory.
It is an advice to parents. Parents, when they feel free to take their children for vaccination, they do it. If they don't want to vaccinate their children, nobody will force them. It's not compulsory.
The ministry repeated its appeal to schools not to raise the fees. Meanwhile, the registration of final year examination candidates is moving slowly.
Right now, we are happy. The primary schools, despite some people thinking that they are not able to register online and so on and so forth. Mama, as of now, we have registered slightly over 500,000 children at primary. That's about 62% of what we expect. The secondary, as I've said, is a bit sluggish. The percentage is still about 20.
The minister, however, advises parents who find paying the school dues challenging to explore the option of more affordable institutions nearer to their homes where possible. NOBERT ATUKUNDA, NTV.